Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Today, we are going to explore 10 passive income ideas that require no experience, no advanced skills, no complicated setup, just simple starting points that anyone can begin and grow over time. Because passive income is not about being an expert. It is about starting small and building systems. Let's begin. Idea 1. Print on demand. You create simple designs, quotes, patterns, minimal graphics. Upload them to platforms, and when someone buys, the product is created and shipped automatically. No inventory, no upfront cost beyond time. Start simple, one niche, one item. Then expand. Idea 2. Digital templates. People want ready-made solutions. Budget trackers, study planners, content calendars. You can create these using simple tools. Sell them repeatedly. One creation, multiple sales. Idea 3. Affiliate links. You recommend products you already understand and earn when someone buys through your link. This can be done through short videos, simple posts, basic guides. Focus on clarity, not complexity. Idea 4. Stock content. Take photos. Record short clips. Create simple sounds. Upload them to stock platforms. Every download earns you money. Over time, your library grows. And so does your income. Idea 5. Faceless content channels. Create videos using scripts, voiceovers, simple visuals. No need to appear on camera. Over time, views generate income. The key is consistency, not perfection. Idea 6. Ebooks or short guides. You don't need to be an expert. You need to be one step ahead of someone else. Create a simple guide that solves one problem. Keep it clear. Keep it practical. Sell it repeatedly. Idea 7. Online marketplaces. List simple items, digital or physical, using platforms that handle traffic. Your job is listing, optimizing, and improving over time. Idea 8. Basic freelance automation. Offer simple services, then systemize them. Use templates, Use repeatable processes. Eventually, the work becomes easier and more passive. Idea 9. Content repurposing. Take one piece of content, turn it into multiple formats. Short clips, posts, audio. Each version can generate value and income. Idea 10. Simple investing habits. Even small amounts, invested consistently, can grow over time. This does not require expertise. It requires consistency and patience. Now, take a moment. Let's go through them slowly. Print on demand. Digital templates, affiliate links, stock content, faceless channels, ebooks, marketplaces, automated services, content repurposing, simple investing. These ideas are simple, but they work because they follow one principle: create once, earn repeatedly. You do not need to do all of them. Choose one. Start small and stay consistent. That is where most people stop. But consistency is what creates results over time. Your systems grow, your skills improve, and your income builds quietly in the background. Take a slow breath and remember, you don't need experience to start. You gain experience by starting. One step, one action, one day at a time. We will gently return to the beginning. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.